Hello, my name is Angela Love, and this is EDOL 721, journal number 5. This journal is about the TED Talk, How Great Leaders Inspire Action. And there are multiple things multiple takeaways that I got from this 18-minute TED Talk regarding leadership and how leaders inspire action. I'm going to start at the end. The last thing that I heard, there are leaders and there are those who lead. And leaders, by definition, hold a position of power or authority, but those who lead inspire us. And that really resonated with me because you can be a leader in an entry level position, or you can be a leader, your first day in the doctorate program. You can be a leader in the capacity of ministry. You can be a leader as a 13-year-old amongst your peers. And so it doesn't require a position of authority to be a leader. What it requires is a lifestyle that inspires others. And I think that we can inspire others, like I said, not only in our lifestyle, how we live, how we treat each other, how we operate, how we move, how we make decisions, our way of being, but you can also inspire others through your communication, being a great storyteller, a motivational speaker, uplifting, encouraging. And that's why I really agree with the fact that a great leader is somebody who inspires others. And this really fits in well with the golden circle that we learned about in this TED Talk. And that circle of being, from the outside, talking about what we do and then how we do it. And in the center is the why. But a great leader who inspires others will start there with the why, and then the how, and then the what we do. And I work in the nonprofit space. I'm the executive director of a nonprofit called Target Excellence. And I think I see this a lot through the nonprofit sector. Throughout the nonprofit sector is leaders that are really passionate about what they do. And you often hear the why from leaders in the nonprofit space because it's the nature of the sector and the work that we do. And I often tell people, that in our organization, we are there to inspire young students, to give students of color specifically access and opportunities, and to expose our students to opportunities and things they might not otherwise be exposed to. And I tell my staff on a regular basis that our students are looking up to them. And in most cases, in a lot of cases, we're the only positive adult in their life, just based on the nature of some of the programs that we operate in and the communities where we serve. And so when I explain that in talking about what we do, we run an after school program. But really, I always talk about the why first, and not that I'm calling myself a great leader, but I do think that because I work in the nonprofit space, the why comes out more naturally than the what or the how. And the why is the most important thing of what we do. And so I really agree with you don't need a position of power to be a great leader. You need to inspire others in every area of your life, how you communicate and how you treat people. So great TED Talk, and I appreciate this opportunity to share with you today.